Welcome to Smart Notebook Training. And as you can see, we have the notebook open and I'm going to take a look around at it, but I want to let you know that the goal is to train you in using the notebook to create your personal learning environment. Okay, this is the interface where you create things. I'm going to click over here into our page sorter. Notice that is arranged in groups. So we're going to take a look around this whole interface in order for you to get used to it. So notice that one of the groups name is my name, and I am Bruce Kramer, and I will be showing you how to create your own personal learning environment. Well, let's get started. Click on a blank page here, everything clears off. If you look at this down button, you can delete, clear, insert blank pages, all that kind of stuff. You can even add a page to the gallery, and I'll tell you more about that later. First of all, in the big sense, there's the program menu bar up here. Then there's the window menu bar where you can go back and forth between pages. And notice I went back and forth there. I can add a page, and it adds a page right below the page that you are actually on at the time. So you select where you want, and then you click on add a page. Here you can open a file, save a file, and you got your clipboard undo. These right here is if you have cameras attached and you want to shut off some screen shades, those is what's happening here. Over up here we have the all the buttons for creating things. You can create tables, measurement tools. There's your select button. You can pick up all these pens either off the menu here, or if you're right up at the smartboard in the classroom, you can actually just pick up the pen and these get highlighted. You can create shapes and lines and polygons. There's a shape recognition pen that we'll look at, filling, and all that. So all these are the big buttons. And if you notice over here, there's a floating toolbar that have a lot of the same things right up there. So you can grab it either from this floating toolbar that I like to dock off onto the side, or from the toolbar on the top. Okay, one thing you'll learn about the software, the notebook smart software, is there's many ways to do the same thing. Now let's come over here and look at these four tabs over here. The first tab shows all your pages. The second tab links you to a gallery. You can have my content gallery, which has a list of all my classes and certain place value things, little templates for personal learning environments, simple machines, all that type of that's my organization for finding teacher created content that I have created for you to use. Then there's Gallery Essentials, where they have incorporated all this different resources that you can use. If we go under mathematics, general resources, algebra, manipulatives, currency, you can take all this stuff and put it in there. Venn diagrams, many things that you can use, patterns and relationships, shapes, all that type of stuff. Then there's of course other subjects you can use. And then there is other galleries that you can actually go out to the Smart Exchange with an internet connection and get lessons or elements that you can add in that other teachers and students have created. And of course there's the marketplace where you can pay for some of them too. Basically what the gallery falls under is they fall under these four categories: pictures, interactive. So let's take a look at pictures. You can just have different pictures of just about anything. There's 5,237. If you come up here and click on a specific category, then those pictures get sorted down to something you may actually are looking for. Okay. Then there's interactive media that are flash related, or movies, that type of multimedia that can be dropped in and used. Okay. Then there's other notebook files that say you want 5x5 dot paper. You can click on that and use that right from there. And the last category is backgrounds and themes to help give you a personal look to your personal learning environment, so you can make it look like something that is important to you. So you get all these choices right there, and we're going to go through those. The next tab here is file names that you could have added in yourself. Notice down here you can add a picture file here, or you can add a hyperlink out to the websites, and you will be able to pick from all there. When I add more to these, I will let you know, and you can always go back and look and see what I've added. So, and then finally, there are different effects that you can do with shapes in that, and this has a recording. If you want to record a step-by-step process on a page, you can use this to record it so other people can see how you did it, and I will show you more of those later too. Okay, creating personal learning environments. The first thing you want to do is you want to go up to the groups, and notice there's the practice one that I have, the one under my name, and we'll take a look at let's take a look at the and editing groups. We'll go there first. So now that just shows all the groups. You are going to add a group, and anytime that you want to, you can actually stop this, go and work on it, and then come back and pick this up later. Feel free to do that. You can move back and forth in this training session if you need to go over something again and again. So let's start by adding a group. Okay, basically you will call this you would type in your name, your name, and put PLE for personal learning environment after that. Press enter, and now you can see that you're starting to add some pages in. Okay, you can move pages around. You can click on these and reorder them. You can also click on them, hit the down button, and you have all these opportunities of deleting, changing them, rename them, and say I type in introduction here. Okay, so we got different examples there. Say you want to clone a page, it'll make an exact copy of it. Then I could take that page and move it down here. Okay, so there's that option too. Now what I want to do before we go on, I want to